Hey everyone, this is Nick. I'm here to show you how to use the styles within Microsoft Word using the background guide template that we provided you. When we prepare all the background guide materials for publishing, we have to take each individual file and merge them into a single document and then convert them to PDF. So when the individual files aren't all using the styles correctly and have incorrect formatting, that adds a lot of additional time. So to fix the problem now, we're going to provide this short video of how to use the styles within Microsoft Word. This is the latest version of Word for Mac, so if you have a PC or an older version of Microsoft Word, it'll be a little different, but most of the recent versions of Microsoft Word are pretty similar with having this little styles window that could expand like this. If you have an earlier version of Word, it's a little different, but the same logic mostly applies. So when you open the background guide template file, you'll see this, and it has most of everything you need in place. But you'll notice that within each section, there's a specific style associated with it. So there's the main title, the introductory quote, a heading, main text, block quote, so on. Also footnotes, and then down here, annotations. Or actually right here, the annotation style. So whenever you're making any changes to this document, you should make sure that you're using the styles correctly. So if you need to do a new section, instead of doing it by hand by highlighting it, doing bold, italic, and all that, instead of doing that, just leave it as is and change the style to NMUN heading. And then that will set it up as it needs to be. So then your main text would go under it, and right now it's still in the NMUN style, or the NMUN heading style. So it'll come out like this, but it's very easy to change. Just go to NMUN main text right here, and then it changes it like so. And the same thing applies throughout. So I'll show you how to do footnotes. If you wanted to do a new footnote, you'll notice when you start writing that the formatting is different from the actual footnote format, and that's because for some reason Microsoft Word doesn't keep the existing footnote format when you add a new footnote, which is annoying. But it's easy to fix. Just highlight the new footnote and then do NMUN footnote. Or you could just highlight everything and do NMUN footnote. And then what's good about this is that it keeps the right font size and everything, but it also keeps the hanging indent, which you see. So if you had a long source, you'll see that it keeps the hanging indent, which is important. Most of your sources won't use that, but a few will, so it's important to have that. It's important to use a style, especially for stuff like that, because when you adjust the margins by hand, that really screws things up when you're copying and pasting from one file to the next, as we do during the merging process. So again, just make sure you use the styles. And then one last thing for the annotations, we have an annotations style. So say that's not there, and you need to write your annotations, as painful as they are. Just start writing your annotation like this, highlight it, and then go to the NMUN annotation style. And that's that. And like I said, there's styles for every section of the background guide, so make sure to use them. If you're still unsure on how to use them, or if you have an older version of Word, or whatever your question is, make sure to contact Hannah and I or your USG, and we can help you out with this. We would much rather deal with the issue now than when we're trying to put together the background guides. So thank you for listening, and have a good day.